That moves into the closing process group. In the closing process group, the two processes are close project or phase, which deals with closing out either a project or the phase in a project. And we have close procurements over here, which deals with closing out any procurements with different vendors. And that is pretty much page 11. That is really the matrix, really the grid that you need to understand to have a full picture of PMBOK guide project management. If you understand all of the processes here, you understood everything I said, it makes sense at the level I explained it, and you're on a very good footing to understand the rest of the project management body of knowledge guide. So the key thing is, remember, you've got 5 process groups, 10 knowledge areas, and 47 processes. Now I'm going to give you a mnemonic for the knowledge areas. And that mnemonic for the knowledge areas over here, I'm going to write that in red. The mnemonic is I for is, S for S within is, so is total cost quite high, is total cost quite high, question mark, check real price status. Is total cost quite high? Check real price status. Perfect way of you remembering the 10 knowledge areas. And of course you remember, I prefer extra money in cash. 10 knowledge areas, 5 process groups, 47 processes. The question typically is, wow, 47 processes. Do I need to memorize all this? Now, except you're taking a professional project management exam, the whole idea of do I have to could be rather debatable. Personally, I don't think there's anything wrong in knowing what is done in the 47 processes. As far as knowing them word for word, if you're not taking a professional project management exam, the real value lies in knowing and understanding what is being done in these processes, not in cramming the process names. Now, does knowing the process names help? Especially when you're working in a projectized organization or you're working in an organization where project management is being practiced the PMBOK way? Absolutely. Knowing these names helps prevent confusion amongst project managers. It actually helps promote working together, work coordination, and a common lexicon. So those are your 47 processes. That's chapter 3. Now, going forward in chapters 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, this is how the work's going to be broken down. This is going to be our chapter 4. Initiating is our chapter 4. Planning is our chapter 5. Executing is our chapter 6. Monitoring and controlling is our chapter 7. And closing is our chapter 8. So see you in chapter 4.